Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Beauty Logic USA Ultra Invisible Fiber Lace Eyelid Lift Kit 120 pieces. Blends in with skin, no glare, non-surgical instant eyelid lifting for hooded, droopy, uneven mono eyelids. Latex-free adhesive, medium. Bought this for a family member at her request. She hated it and asked me to return it the very next day. Takes some practice to apply, but once you get the hang of it, it is great. This product doesn't come sticky. The glue comes separately, so you'd have to peel off the lace and apply the glue to your eye, or the tape. The glue isn't hard to put on, and you don't need any other tools other than that. If you want droopy eyelids to go away, look younger, and feel great without costly surgery with instant results, this is the product for you. The product is available in 4 sizes, highly recommended that you read through, and shows the right size for your eyes. The shape of the large size is a bit awkward, wide in the middle, narrow at the tips. These came fast, and the packaging is adorable. You have to practice, but once you get the hang of it, they work really well. But not anymore. These lifts are completely invisible, and they last for hours and hours. I've tried eyelid tapes before, but you could always see them. These are pretty much invisible. You do need to get enough glue on the tape. The tapes are delicate, and the glue seems to give them more structure. Glue does not dry fast, and is very sticky, therefore the lids ends up sticky as well, as you have to move strips around and into correct place. The instructions given are really impossible to follow, as they are not clear as to exactly what to do. On a positive note, strips are invisible however, but they take forever to place correctly, do not hold lids up, and slip out of place. It doesn't really work on fat eyelids. Glue doesn't hold up as well, but it's more manageable. Basically you get this little piece of mesh, some glue, a mat to glue on, and a cheap pair of plastic tweezers. This product works. You have to try a few times until you get it right. And it is very sticky, so it stays where it should for the whole day. There is a bit of a learning curve, and it takes some trial and error, but the results have been more than worth it for me. I've also realized they always try to improve their package, and the contents. Really love that about them. Also, when applying eyeshadow, make sure to put some eyeshadow on first, and then put it on. After that, dab a little more eyeshadow over it to cover up the glare from the glue. This is a clear ripoff. The manufacturer saves a bundle, making you apply the glue instead of it being built in. Pour a pea-sized drop of glue on the mat, then why give me a minuscule bottle of glue? The lace is thin enough, and it is very comfortable, and invisible, and it lasts all day. They are quite unnoticeable, but in the light without any eyeliner or eyeshadow, it'll be noticeable due to its fishnet-like texture. Overall, while they can sometimes be noticeable, it is by far the least noticeable out of all the tapes I've tried in the past. Also, the glue is not too sticky nor too flimsy, pretty perfect for the sensitive eye area. I've tried one of these on each eye, and they really didn't do much for me. These are amazing, and do wonders for hooded eyelids. Really easy to put on, and you can't even tell that they're there. They are a little pricey for what you are getting, but for me it's worth it. If the mesh is not cut properly, a part might poke out and change the shape of your lids. It's more comfortable than the tape ones though. You need to dip the type with glue yourself for both surface evenly, and it not sticky at all. If the netting is not placed perfectly, it is bumpy, and if the glue is not applied perfectly, then each little strand of netting sticks out. It works, and you don't feel them at all after you're done applying like other brands. It took me only 2 tries. Makeup goes on right over them, and you really can't tell they are even there. Mine stayed on all day, and into the night. It can be a bit tricky to apply since it's not a sticker, but with a little bit of practice, it's not too bad. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.